Butong. Sorry pala. Parang kailan lang, ang bilis ng panahon, ikaw ay 7 years old na. Nakikita ko yung mga video mo. Alam ko, matalino kang bata. Ah, ang wish ko sa'yo, ipagpatuloy mo yan, mag-aral kang mabuti, at I pray na lumaki kang bata na may banal na pagkatakot sa Diyos at matutong sumunod sa mga nakakatanda sa iyo, sa iyong nanay, kay tatay, kay mama mo, at sa mga taong nakakatanda sa iyo. And happy birthday and God bless you. I pray na ang Lord ay i-bless niya ang buhay mo habang ikaw ay lumalaki at magbigay ka ng kasiyahan sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Muli, happy birthday and God bless you more.
Hi Butong! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come and good health and God bless you more and pakabait ka lang dyan kala mama mo. Happy birthday ulit! Love ka ni Ninong!
Hi Zari! Happy birthday! Na-wish ni Ninang kanimo is good health lang kag hopefully nga magbahil ikaw nga batang sweet kag very maaram. Love your parents, love your lola, and then love everyone around you. Be a kind-hearted nga bata kay someday i-gift ikaw ni Lord kang something nga gusto nimo. Happy birthday!
Happy 7th birthday, Sari. Wish you have good health and more birthdays to come. Wish ko lang na maging good boy ko kasi kabata sa nanay mo and gawin ka pa kasaway. Once again, happy birthday from your Ninong Ken.
Hello Zari, happy birthday. Continue to be kind, smart, respectful, and please do take care of your mom. We love you. See you.
Hi Zari boy, happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday. So you are 7 now. I guess you're no longer a baby boy ni mama mo, but rather you're a grown up gentleman na, no? You're treating yourself as a grown up gentleman na. So I wish you all the best and stay mabuot, stay pogi, just continue what you are doing and study again in preparation for your future. God bless you Zari and your family. Love you. Mwah.
Hello, Zari! So, wow, you're already learning so much at your young age, and it's just amazing how well you can do in life on your own already. Happy birthday, baby boy. We wish you all the best in life and in everything you do. Enjoy your day, and God bless you.